Hello and welcome to Furniture Clinic. In this video we will show you how to restore the shine to a pair of shoes. Using the shoe shine and colour restore, we will restore the colour and shine of this old and worn shoe. Unscrew the lid and remove the sponge applicator from its holder. Apply a small amount of restorer onto the sponge and begin rubbing this into the leather in a circular motion. Apply this to the whole shoe in order to ensure even coverage. Once complete, leave the restorer for a couple of minutes. Using a clean, lint-free cloth, buff the restorer from the shoe to reveal the shine. Here you can see the difference between the buffed and non-buffed areas. Continue this process with the rest of the shoe. As you can see, this shoe now has its high shine restored.